Yo, so today we got an Audi Q7 in for a stage 1 remap. So this has got a 3-litre V6 diesel engine, and we're applying our stage 1 tune and gearbox tune onto this. Once we're done, we're looking at 330 horsepower and 700 newton meters of torque. These run 600 newton meters of torque, and for such a big vehicle, yeah, the extra 100 newton meters of torque is going to make a massive difference. This thing is going to absolutely fly for what it is. So yeah, here it is. We got the auto tuner out. We'll be flashing our stage 1 shortly, and gearbox as well. Stay tuned for the final videos, because yeah, this is an absolute beast. Fun fact, this Audi Q7 has a BMW gearbox. So it's got the 8-speed ZF8 gearbox, which is also found in that car right there. It's a BMW. Yeah, it's a really good gearbox. And on the stock torque limiter settings, the max torque is 600 newton meters. But since our remap is going to push this to 700 newton meters, so we need to remap this gearbox in order so the car can put down the full torque powers. Audi Q7 3-litre diesel, now running our stage 1 engine tune and gearbox tune. Now we're going to send it. Watch it take off. Yo, look at it go. For a massive vehicle, it's rapid and so smooth as well. It's insane. Cheese! So yeah, if you guys are after any stage 1 tunes, engine tunes, gearbox tunes, let us know. Cherrytuning. Hit us up on Facebook or Instagram. Thanks for watching. Lamborghini Urus running our stage 1 gearbox and engine tune. One day.